Today I am Deepak Jha going to tell something about COVID 19. This is our India and now we are in Mumbai, the financial capital of India, has become one of the epicenter of COVID 19. This has made a lot of changes in the lifestyle of human beings. This story starts from December 2019 when suddenly a lot of cases of pneumonia started coming from Wuhan, which is in China. After investigation, it was found that this disease was caused by newly discovered coronavirus named COVID 19. Later on, this disease started spreading throughout China and then all over the world. On 30th January 2020, the World Health Organization declared the outbreak of public health emergency of international concern. So let we know something about coronavirus. Basically, this is a large group of viruses. It belongs to the family of respiratory viruses, named for the crown-like spikes on their surface. There are different types of coronaviruses. For example, the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, first identified in China in 2003. The Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, that was first identified in Saudi Arabia in 2012, and the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, also known as COVID 19, that was first reported in December 2019 in China. Now, a question arises that where did the new virus came from, or the origin of the viruses? In studies, it is found that the coronavirus is spread by different type of animals. For example, the Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus is spread from camels. The severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus is spread from civet cat, and the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 from bats or snakes. Now, let me know that how it spread. So this disease spread from persons to person through touching, coughing, talking and sneezing. For example, when an infected person sneezes, then the small infected droplets fall on the object, and when a healthy person touches that object and touches his or her eyes, nose or mouth, then he or she will get infected. So, if a person get infected with COVID-19, what are the symptoms? So, the symptoms of COVID-19 seems to be seen in 2 to 14 days. The common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness, aches and pains, sore throat, headache. And the serious symptoms are loss of taste or smell, skin rash, difficulty of breathing, chest pain. About 80% of the people recovers from the disease without needing special treatment, and rest 20% of the people are those who have to face serious illness. For example, older people, diabetes person, people suffering with high blood pressure, kidney, heart, lung disease and cancer. Now we know about the treatment for COVID-19. Mainly, most of the medicine or vaccine are under investigation, and the mainly medicine given to the COVID-19 patients are cough syrup, paracetamol, hydroxychloroquine and remdesivir. So how do we prevent transmission of this virus? There are some steps by using which we can stop the transmission or spreading of coronavirus. First, maintain a safe distance from anyone, especially who is coughing or sneezing. Second, do not touch our eyes, nose or mouth. Third, cover our nose and mouth by using mask. Fourth, wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Fifth, clean our hand by using soap and water or an alcohol based hand sanitizer. Sixth, sanitize or take a bath when we enter our home from outside. 7. Take daily exercise which improves our immunity, and take kadha in the morning that help us to improve our immunity system. By using this small step, we can prevent the transmission of coronavirus. Thank you.